Calf Models UltraFlash with a naughty engine. Most sane people wouldn't put anything more than a 160 in this model, but my friend here, Paul Smith, what is it, a Kingtech 210, am I right?
Kingtech
210. Obscene power for such a small jet. Let's get serious. Maiden flight. Deep breath. Just start slow, make sure it tracks. Centre of the runway. Five minutes timed. Here we go. Nice and gentle, high rate. Wind is, you got a crosswind from the left. Get some height. Nice and gentle.
A bit of positive elevator, a bit of up elevator.
Please. I'll wait until you come round. Better?
Up elevator.
That's it. 3 clicks at a time. Better? Yes, you're right. Is that full throws you've got set up?
That's full throws, but I'm not using them.
Calm down. Look at his fingers. That's good. Trimmed out now. Deep cleansing breaths. Good though, a bit skittish on the takeoff, but
Too much nose wheel, I think.
oh, too much throw on the nose wheel. Okay. And you're at half throttle.
Yeah, pretty much half of the whole flight. Medium rate.
Full throttle pass. Full throttle pass. That's good. It's going to take a little while to wind up, isn't it? You did that at the end.
Yeah, oh yeah, that was just
You're full throttle by the end.
You're not too comfortable taking it up too high in this weather.
No, well it's not best light for it, really. Turns into a bit of a silhouette. Do you want to go, while you've got the time, do you want to go twice the height and just try the flap?
Yeah.
That's me with my sensible hat on.
Remind me to go back to high rates for landing.
Yeah. Don't do it yet. Wait until you make your next turn, like you're going to land and.
Not even takeoff flat.
Not. I think you're still too fast for that.
I'm a hard one.
Okay, half flat now. Keep your finger on the switch. That ballooned, didn't it? But it's going to slow it down. That's nice. That was good. Ballooned on the full flaps at the start.
I pulled in full flap adjusting, it's still a lot. I wanted to push it down to land probably.
Give us a nice slow flyby. Idle, bring it down.
Just landing flat. Okay, I'm going to try a gear pass.
Oh, your timer's not going.
Oh shit, isn't it?
No.
Okay, let's do a land then.
Gear down. 3 green. Come round the tree. Not through it. Stay out, stay out. That's nice. Keep your nose up. You want to land beyond us. Keep it in. Keep it in. That's good. The adrenaline's still flowing. Nice job. That was good. Your mouth dry?
So dry.
I'll pick it up.
Brakes, don't need brakes, do you?
Not on grass. That's a good thing.
Yeah, so that's my flaps. Oh no, I pulled the lever the wrong way for the flap adjustment. So I had no flap adjustment.
Oh.
Bit of uptrim, bit nose heavy.
Nose heavy it was, do you think? That's good. Shut it down, we want to see how much fuel you got in the tank. You'll hit a rabbit hole and rip the nose out.
You carry it, I don't think I can.
He needs to lie down. Someone put the.
It's a pussycat. It's actually a pussycat.
It is, yeah.
I was just so nervous about flying it, but.
So one full throttle pass, but really you started full throttle there.
I lined up and hit full throttle.
It needs a second and a half. Yeah, you need more time.
You didn't even feel that fast in that pass.
No.
Faster watching you.
No. Yeah. Cup of tea time.
You happy with it? You happy with it? Yeah, I just
Can't talk.
nervous. So nervous. But yeah, it's a pussycat really.
So the throws in the manual would have been way too much, right?
I went from high rate, I landed on middle rate.
Oh. Well, that was all right. I didn't
That's
do that.
fine. Because I didn't have any flap adjust, so I was actually pushing down most of that incoming.
Oh, were you?
Somebody like balloon up.
Yeah, and you don't want to be doing that.
What an idiot. So that's my flaps. See the elevator?
Yeah.
I trimmed it all the way out. I pulled that down when I should have pushed it up. The next flight, when I test it, I'll start it like that. I was pushing. That's like that. I was probably. Yeah, I probably want all of that adjustment on the full flaps, I'd say.
Good, good. Job done.
Right, down the pub, I'm done.
Don't blame you.